Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Houseplantpixie. For everyone that's new to my channel, my name is Monique and welcome back to my existing subscribers. First up, if you could watch this video all the way to the end, comment, like and share, that would be fantastic, helps me out heaps with this algorithm thing. And thanks for tuning back in and coming back to watch another episode on my channel. In today's episode, we talk about the Anthurium Balaoanum, and we're going to repot it because it's spring and I'm super excited to be able to repot all my plants. This guy I bought not too long ago and it's already ready for a new pot. This Anthurium, as like all my other Anthurium, is it Anthuriums? It's sitting in my plant room, which has fairly high humidity, 60 to 80%. I do regularly open the window so the hot air can go out and I'm not getting any mold on my ceilings or on my walls. On my LED light setup, it has bright indirect light, and as of the potting mix, I've got it in my well draining soil mixture, which has premium potting mix, horticultural charcoal and perlite and orchard mix. So this is the original, as you can already see. Like, I love these clear pots. I think they are absolutely amazing. So if I can buy them, I would buy them, but I reuse all my other pots I have. So the next pot size up, unfortunately it's not a clear pot, but this is the next size up. So if you place your, so this is like perfect. You want about a centimeter around the whole, around the like previous pot, and you don't want it too much bigger than that. You probably, you might be able to go a little bit wider pot, but I wouldn't recommend it. So yeah, and then I'll have decorative pot, nursery pot. No hole in the decorative pot. It's just so much easier with the watering, because the water, even if the water sits in there, you can, once you watered it, go back around and tip out the excess water. I never bother, never had any problems. And yeah, let's just repot it. All right. Just to prevent the soil falling through, I love to use paper towel. You can use coffee filters as well. And I'll just, you can fold it like the paper towel and just put it in the pot, but I kind of like to just cut it out, and then it's nice and neat. Also, you might be wondering, isn't a paper towel going to break down? Yep, that's correct. But by the time this is broken down, you probably need to repot. Anyway, so this is going in here. So I'm going to fill the pot to about here with a bit of potting mix. Let's wear gloves. Not sure. Let me know in your in the comments. Do you wear gloves when you repot, or you're not going to worry about it? It'd be interesting to know. See, and nothing's going to fall through. When you take your plant out of the pot, make sure you don't pull on the actual plant. You will it's probably, yeah, they get a shock when you repot a plant. But I like to just squeeze it and give it a push rather than pull, because all the little micro roots that are on the stem, they will stay attached. And this is fairly root bound. So also have a look at your plant. The root ball is never perfectly even, so make sure that you look at the stem and just place it in the center. Sometimes you will have to take a bit of the root ball off, maybe, to be able to put it in. But if you go for a bigger pot, you shouldn't have any problems. This plant has been on my wish list for so long. And I finally got one. I'm so stoked about the new lathe. I used to have a cutting. Like, it was just a mid-stem cutting, but it never developed, so it eventually died. That's just, yeah, what happens. Happens to everyone, happens to me. We all learn from experience. So it didn't, how do you say, it didn't stop me from trying again and actually buying a more established plant. So this here is the newest leaf. And it's all repotted. I'm so excited to see. Excuse the noise, that is my little puppy and my older dog Frankie. For most of you that follow me for a little while know Frankie. I blended a little picture of the two. It has been super fun. Yep, that's the puppy. I don't know if you can hear that. Alright, and here's our decorative pot. And it's got plenty more room to grow. And now I'm just going to give it a bit of a drink. I'm trying to go around. I try not to water too close to the stem. And see how the water just drains through straight away. That's what you want. Perfect. It might come out a little bit slower because of the paper towel. But that's it. It's all repotted. I hope you liked this episode. If you did like it, give it a like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay planty.